How to reopen previous tabs automatically in Google Chrome. If you want Google Chrome to automatically reopen your previous tabs every time you start your computer, this video will show you how to enable it. This feature is useful if you regularly work with the same websites and don't want to open them one by one every day. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left side menu, click on Startup. Here, you'll see different startup options. By default, Chrome is usually set to Open the New Tab page. To automatically reopen the tabs you had open before closing Chrome, select Continue where you left off. That's it. Your setting will be saved automatically. Now, whenever you close and reopen Google Chrome, it will automatically restore the tabs from your previous session. This is a simple way to save time and quickly continue browsing where you left off. That's how you can enable Continue where you left off in Google Chrome and automatically reopen your previous tabs. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.